Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see we have reversing sensors. This car's got a parking camera, which I'll show you when we run through some of the controls. 7 seats, all of which are currently in place. Very easy to fold these rear ones down. Just lift that up and the seat will fall down into place, and you can see how much that extends the boot area by. You can also fold down that middle row of seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls, as I mentioned, from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have the digital readout for the speedometer and the total miles for the car. They are 34,032. On the right-hand side, you can see the gauge to show you how much of the hybrid power you are using. Also, what gear the car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are currently in park. We have the fuel gauge and battery charge level in that section as well. You can change information displayed over here using buttons on the steering wheel just here. We have our cruise control, and into the center, the main touchscreen. So one physical button, which will bring you back to this main menu. You can swipe right for certain things, which you can see on screen now, including Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, your audio options along the top there, and some options along the bottom, including Google local search. You can also swipe the opposite way for more car related and safety related options, or tap on the screen to open up any of the given menus. So satellite navigation, for example, your audio menu. You can see some of the audio options down the side there. You can pair your phone from here, and at the very bottom of that section we can open up the climate control menu, where you can adjust the fan speed, direction of the air. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. You could recirculate the air that's in the car if you wish to as well. That's a great way of heating it up depending on the temperature you've set, and you've got your driver and passenger temperatures both adjustable in that section as well. We have a lot of options with regards to heating in this car. So a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat settings, a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, and an air-conditioned driver seat with 3 different settings again. On the passenger side, we have the seat options, of course, no steering wheel option there. Below that, the main volume control and a few physical stereo controls as well. We have a 12-volt charging socket. This section opens up for some additional storage. All the way through here, we've got loads of storage space, including cup holders. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. You can change the driving mode of the car from here. This is where you switch the vehicle off, which is what I've just done, and back on again. And then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There is a sun blind, as you can see, and you can open that all the way to the back of the rear seats. You can leave it like this if you wish to, and as you can see, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. But you can also open the front section as a full-size sliding sunroof as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total, of course. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then the service book for the vehicle. So pre-delivery inspection done in 2021, and then services in 22, 23, 24, and over the page 2025. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.